Hello friends, today we are going to discussing the organic chemistry. Before we start the organic chemistry, we must have to understand or know or remember the names of compounds which are very common in they are used in old times, but now they are frequent used because they becomes more popular, so they are frequent used in the questions. Okay, let's get started today. The common names of organic compounds. This is the first compound of us. This is the benzene. You must remember this. When I put OH on top, this becomes phenol. When I put the OH on the ortho position, this is called ortho position. This and this becomes catechol. When I put OH here, this becomes resorcinol. When I put here OH on para position, this becomes hydroquinone. When I put on the benzene CH3, this becomes toluene. When I put NH2 here, this becomes aniline. When I put N2Cl here, this becomes benzene diazonium chloride. Each and every compound, when this element change, this name is changed also. So you have to learn these common names. These are used in questions frequently. So write down some such names. First one, benzene. Second one, naphthalene. Benzene, naphthalene. Third one, the anthracene. Okay. Now we move on another part of the question. This is phenol. This is phenol. This is catechol. This is catechol. This is now next one resorcinol. This is resorcinol. Next one hydroquinone. Hydroquinone. Write down these and memorize it because these are frequently used in the questions. Okay. Switch the next. This is acetone. Remember all these formulas of chemical compound. This is acetone. This is toluene. Okay, this is cresol. Okay, learn this very well. These are very important for organic chemistry. I have done thousands of questions, and in each and every question they are used very frequently. Okay, we move just next on. This is benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, this is benzene diazonium chloride, BDC. This is aniline. This is aniline. This is aniline. There are very short things today for learning. I know that, but it is important and useful. So I start telling you. Okay. Next one, glycerol. Next one is glycerol. CH2OH. 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 This becomes glycerol. Okay, and when CH2OH, CH2OH, this is glycol. Okay, next one is we are going to discuss. Have you ever learned math, add, prop, use, pand, hex, hack, oct, non, deck? But old times we use just like different nomenclature, form, acid, valor, capra, propion, this is the old nomenclature. This becomes very popular with the aspect of time, so they are frequently used in today days, but they are not legal in IPSC, but they are used in our questions. They become famous, so we will learn. If one carbon, we will call this math, but in old times this is called form. Okay, two carbon acid, three carbon propion. Why I am telling? I will give the example of these such things. Four carbon butyr, yeah. Five carbon uh, capra. Okay. Just think this is not useful. Four is okay. HCHO. This is formaldehyde. Many times in questions ask formaldehyde reacts with HCl. What this gives? If you don't know what is the formaldehyde, how you can solve this question? So you need this. This is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. Okay. Next one, HCOOH. This is acid. HCOOH is acid. So we is called as formic acid. Formic acid. Okay. CH3COOH. This is called acetic acid. Why this is called acetic acid? Because two carbon is acid and oic acid, acetic acid. Okay, this is the example of all this which I tell you, which is useful for you. Next one is chloroform and lactic acid. In first time, many time ago, a question is asked in the Neet, what is the IUPAC norm of lactic acid? So CH3, CHOH, COOH. This is lactic acid. What is the IUPAC name of lactic acid? If you don't know the formula of lactic acid, so how you will know about the lactic acid? How you will write the name of this compound? So you must know these names. Lactic acid. This is a lactic acid. Okay. This is a chloroform. CH3. Sorry, CHCl3. CHCl3. This is the chloroform. CHOLORO chloroform. This is the chloroform. Okay. That's the enough. Some things are behind one or four more. I will give the such images on this link. You can see some more common compounds which are very famous, and all these reactions are asked in our exams. They are related to these compounds only. Okay, because they are mentioned in our NCERT syllabus. Okay, so let's learn this. I will give you the next lesson IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds. So, bye.